Building Survey, an introduction. Introduction to the module. This module will introduce the concepts of a survey and a building survey, providing you with definitions and key elements of these procedures. You will also learn the history of surveying, as well as learning the specific elements in providing good quality homes. Finally, this module will take you through the requirements and knowledge needed by a building surveyor in addition to their responsibilities. This module will cover the following topics: survey, building survey, a brief history, quality initiatives for housing, requirements of a building surveyor, skills and knowledge needed to be a building surveyor, responsibilities of a building surveyor. Survey. Surveying is a means of making relatively large-scale, accurate measurements of the Earth's surfaces. Britannica. This process involves several steps, including concluding what data from these measurements will be used, condensing and interpreting the data in question so that it can be more easily utilized, determining both the relative position and the size, using the measurement requirements as a guide. The survey has two functions. Although these functions are similar, they are actually opposites. These functions are to identify and determine pre-existing horizontal and vertical positions. This function would be used when, for example, mapping an area. To mark an area. This may be done to control construction or to signal land boundaries. Building survey. A building survey's purpose is to examine and evaluate both how well a building has been constructed and on its current condition. This information allows building surveyors to advise their client on the impact this condition will have on them, such as future issues. Typically, a building survey will not offer information on how much the property is worth. A building surveyor will also offer a client advice relating to new buildings, such as their design and construction.